Hello everyone, I'm Eva from hospital. Today I'm going to talk about the Shangrila 510 ventilator, a professional emergency transfer machine that works stably, is easy to use, and fits many different places. Thanks to its tube-frame structure, it's small and easy to carry, fitting ambulances, emergency rooms, and even tough environments. Equipped with pneumatic electric control, it has 5 ventilation modes: AC, sine and V, sponge, and manual. Suitable for adults and children over 10 kilograms. Its touch buttons, knobs, and LCD screen make it easy and quick to operate. You can check key data right away, and it also displays pressure waveforms and has many alarm functions. What's more, its pipeline connection is simple, making it really easy to use. This machine is very reliable and has passed strict tests with 3 power supply options: AC power, onboard power, and a built-in battery that lasts more than 6 hours. This ensures rescue work won't stop. Because of its great performance, this ventilator is widely used in emergency centers, supporting emergency medical work all over the world. That's all for my introduction today. Thank you all so much for watching.